Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. I have a really special project that I want to share with you guys, and this is a cute pillow that I made for my daughter's room, and I actually made it with products from heattransfersource.com. I used their laser printable vinyl and the NoWeed foil together to make this pillow. So if you're interested and you want to make this project, you can check out their website, heattransfersource.com. This project was inspiration from when my mother and I were looking at some suppliers for our store, and I saw this gorgeous pillow in the showroom, and I thought, you know, I could easily recreate that with the products from Heat Transfer Source. And I remembered I had this pillow from the dollar store, and it was perfect. Alright guys, so let's start with how I made the ostrich image with the flower crown. So I couldn't find an image on Google that I liked of an ostrich with a flower crown. So I basically made my own. So I found this image here on Google, and basically I just saved it to my, my computer. And then I went to Canva, and I went create a design, and this is really easy. You can just pick any size, it doesn't matter because we're just making an image. So we'll just use that Instagram post one. And then once that loaded up there, I just basically uploaded my image of my ostrich into my workspace here. So I just found the image of my ostrich there, put it into Canva. Make it a little bit bigger here. We can see what we're working with. And then I basically found a clip art image from a site called PNG Tree. And I already had this one saved, and I knew I had it on my computer, but I do have a post on my blog about PNG Tree, so you can, I'll link that in the description below this video. You can check it out. It's a really great site, and you can get lots of images for free clip arts, and the blog post explains all about that. So if you want to check that out, I'll put the link in the bottom of this video. So then you have to be careful with Canva. If you do that, it puts it over the image. So rather than clicking and dragging, you just click and it puts it on top of the image. So what we need a PNG for this because we can't have a background on this or it covers the ostrich. So basically I just sized it up, put it where I wanted it. We'll move it a little bit and turn it here just so it's exactly in the position that I want. And then basically we just download our design. We want to download it as a PNG. Hit download, and then it saves to your computer. I'll let you guys know I am using the free version of Canva. I don't bother with buying it. I'm just using the free. And I found that I've never had a problem with it just using the free account. So don't worry about that. Now that I have my image all set, I could print it out on the laser printable vinyl. So I loaded it watermark side down into my OP332 printer. This is the printer that I use for all my Heat Transfer Source projects. I love it. It's amazing. The quality is impeccable. And you'll see when the image comes out here just how clean and crisp everything is. The colors are gorgeous and stunning, perfect to place on our pillow. So the next thing that I had to do was I had to cut my image out so that it would fit on the pillow. Now you can do this a couple of ways. You can calibrate it and cut it with the Cricut cutting machine, but this image is very jagged. It's watercolor, and there's a lot of like fine lines and everything like that. So I didn't really want to bother, and it was going on a white pillow. The background was white, so I basically just cut it out as close to the ostrich as I could. I did remove all the little dots that are around. I didn't want to worry about cutting all those out, so I just cut it really close to the ostrich, as close as I could get it, and also making it look natural as well. Alright, so I have it all cut out now. We get to press it onto our pillow. Now this is where it gets a little bit tricky because the pillow doesn't quite fit in my heat press. So I had to put the release paper on, and I had to manually hold my press down for the recommended amount of time, pull it out, pull off the release paper, and because the whole thing doesn't fit, the bottom didn't adhere, so I had to flip it around, do it again, and again manually hold my heat press because it won't shut with the big fluffy pillow in there. But it turned out really well. It stuck really well, so I was pleased with that. Alright, now it's time to do the NoWeed foil. So I put the NoWeed foil transfer paper into my Oki printer, and I printed out this saying that I just typed up. Now, there was a mistake that I made the last time I tried to use the NoWeed foil with the LP vinyl, so I wanted to make sure I didn't make that again, and I almost did here, and then I caught myself. But you want to make sure that you cut around your lettering if you already have a material on your pillow, because this has adhesive on it, and what's going to happen is when I go to put the foil on, if any of this adhesive gets onto my pillow and any other areas, the foil is going to stick. So I want to make sure that I just place just where the lettering is onto my pillow and not over top of the ostrich. So I'm going to place it here, and it's a little bit tricky because I have to hold it, and we're working on a big fluffy pillow. We're going to place it into the heat press, and then again I have to manually just hold my heat press down because it's too big. This is a warm peel, so we want to peel the lettering off, or sorry, the transfer paper off right away. And then we are going to see that we have the black image there with the ink, and we're going to put our foil over top. I chose this nice rose gold color, and then we're going to press again. And this is a cool peel, so I'm just waving it around here to try to cool it off, and then we can pull it off. And here is our gorgeous design. Hello, gorgeous. I love this pillow. It is so cute. My daughter loved it. It looks great in her room, and this is a nice chic project that you can do with heat transfer products. Alright guys, so you'll notice that I didn't go into too many technical details about setting times and heat pressure and stuff like that in this video. I just wanted to show you this really cute project that you can do with products from heattransfersource.com. And of course, if you do need help with that stuff, their site has tons of information, so check them out, heattransfersource.com, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.